Okay. This is ending with u. Induhu, Induhu, Indu. In Induhu, that visarga should not be considered. Okay. U. Shambhu, again U. Again U. Guruhu, Guruhu. This U. Lata, Lata is A. Mala, Mala, A again. Matru, what is here? R. Okay, R. Pitru, R. Again, R. Kau, Au, Au. Okay, Nadi, what is the ending here? E. Nadi. Bhanuhu, U. Okay, Vadhuhu, U. Okay, see here. Ramaha ending with A. Kavita ending with A. Kavihi ending with E. Induhu ending with U. Shambhuhu ending with U. Guruhu ending with U. Lata ending with A. Mala ending with A. Matru ending with R. Pitru ending with R. Gauhu ending with Au. Nadi ending with E. Bhanuhu ending with U. Vadhuhu ending with U. Now, how will you classify these words, whether they are Pullinga or Strilinga or Napumsakalinga? Let me tell you once again. No need to understand the meaning, no need to tell the meaning, except few cases. Except few cases. Okay? Simply I will tell you. Okay? Simply I will tell you. Words ending with A or Pullinga Shabda. Pullinga, Pullingaha. Words ending with A. Not only A, E, U, R. Okay? These are Pullinga. Mainly these three. Out of these three, mainly these three are Pullinga words. Okay? See here what happened. There are some words even in E. Okay, now, sorry, I am confusing you. The words ending with A and E and U are Strilinga words. Strilinga. The words ending with A, E, U are Strilinga words. Clear? Now, now, what is Napumsakalingam? Napumsakalingam is the word will end with The words will end with They are Napumsakalinga. Now, here no word is ending with Napumsakalingam. No word is ending with So, no one is Napumsakalinga word here. Again, I tell you the words ending with A, E, U, R are Pullinga words. A, E, U, Strilinga words. There are no exceptions here for information. There are no exceptions here. Why I am telling you exception? All are the words ending with A, E, U or A, E, U. Words ending with A, E, U are feminine words. Words ending with is Napumsakalinga word. There's no exception. Whereas in Pullinga, there are some exceptions. Some exceptions are there. Okay. Now, what we have understand now? Classify the words. I'm going to make Pullinga words are red in color. Strilinga words are blue in color. Napumsakalinga words are I'm going to make, because it's not there, I'm going to make it green color. Okay, there is no green color here. Now I tell you openly, I broke the secret. Now tell me, pick only Pullinga here, because only Pullinga and Strilinga words are there. Now we have to pick the Pullinga words only here. What are Pullinga words? See here, what is the clue? A, E, U, R. Words ending with A, E, U, R are Pullinga words. Now let us make them red color. A. Okay, this one is A. So what do? We make it red. We make it, yes, red color. What else next? A. Any other A word is there? Not there. Then A is Strilinga word. E. Kavihi. Okay. Kavihi. Strilinga word. Okay. Sorry, Pullinga word. Kavihi ending with E. So it is a Pullinga word. Then A, E, U. U. Induhu. Shambhuhu. Guruhu. All are Pullinga words. So I make them red in color. Then A, E, U, R. What is R here? Matru, Pitru. These two are. I'm making them masculine. Matru, Pitru. No questions now. Okay? I'll explain you. Gauhu. Gauhu is it is. Then I'll come to you last. Then Strilinga. Rest are Banuhu. Here one Banuhu is there. See, Nadi ending with E. So it is not a Pullinga word. Ending with E because A, E, U. These long vowels. Words ending with A, E, U are Strilinga words. They are feminine words. So what do? Nadi is a feminine word. So which color we have given to that? We have given blue color. So what do? I make them blue. I make it blue. Okay. Then Bhanuhu, U, ending with U. Which color it is? It is masculine or feminine? U. Short vowel. So it is a masculine. So what I do? I make it red. Okay. Now Kavita is left here. Kavita is ending with A. Which color it is? Red or blue? It is ending with A. So it is feminine. What is feminine color? Blue. We have given blue. We are giving blue. Lata, Mala, ending with A. Okay. So which color? Which gender? They are feminine gender, blue color. Okay. Now Vadhu, A, E, U. Okay. This also, what do? Feminine or masculine? Masculine or feminine word? U. Yeah, long vowel. Long vowel is feminine word. So I make it blue. What is Gauhu? Gauhu, it is actually masculine word. Okay. Now see the color. According to the color, you can understand. You can understand what is Pullinga, what is Strilinga. Sorry. Ramaha ending with A. We are not seeing the meaning. Okay. The basic level, very basic level, we are not seeing the meaning. Ramaha, A. Kavita, A. Strilinga word. Kavihi, E. It is a masculine word. Induhu, Induhu, Shambhuhu, Guruhu, all are ending with U. So they are masculine words. Lata, Mala, these two are Strilinga words because they are ending with A. Matru, Pitru, Matru, Pitru. Sorry, 1 minute, I will come. Sorry, I went to drink water. Sorry. So what do we understand? Words end with A, I, U, R or masculine words. Words end with A, I, U or feminine words. But when I said, I told you no exemption. In Strilinga nouns, I said no exemption. But in Pullinga, there are exemptions. Okay? Now we see that. What is that? I'll go to next page. Yes. Matru. In E, words ending with E as masculine words, some many masculine words, masculine words as well as feminine words. Okay, in U, I don't think U less is there. In U, U, no words, actually no words. Maybe few words, but I don't see, maybe. But whereas in R, we have words. What kind of words we have, you know? We have mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, like these words are leader, leader, like these words are there. So very not much, very maximum 10 words, around 10 words are in the usage. Okay, in the regular usage, words are available. In lexicon, words are available. But in practice, in regular practice, we don't have more than 10 words. So what do we do here? Mother is feminine. So the word also becomes feminine because it's a female. Father is masculine. Brother is a masculine. Now we come to the, thus I told you some exemptions, right? This is feminine. Okay. Aunt. We say auntie, no? Aunt. Okay. Leader. Leader is masculine. Okay. So like this, there are few more words, not more than that. So what do we understand in masculine? What do we understand? Basically what do we understand? Words ending with A, I, up, r are masculine words, provided there are some exemptions. Then words ending with a, e, u, here no exemptions, no compromise. They all are feminine words. Okay, like only women, ladies compartment, like that. You know, it is exclusively these words are feminine words. We don't see the meaning. Okay. Next is there are few words, the word ending with like phalam, patram, netram, like these words are neuter gender words. So what do we do? What do we understand in this? Some classifications are there in masculine words. E, for example, sorry, has ending is there now. Ending is available in masculine, mostly in masculine and neuter gender. Neuter gender. All neuter gender words, not, I cannot say all. 60 to 70% neuter gender words, maybe 80% neuter gender words are ending with Ending with How many percent? What is the percentage? 80%, I can tell 80%. But there are 80% words are ending with in neuter gender. In E, most of the words are masculine words. There are approximately some 25-30 words are there in feminine. Feminine also, they are feminine. I will teach you this later, how to classify. Only most of the 99% words are masculine, only masculine. Okay. R, most of them are relatives. Mother is a female, so words end with r, mother, sister, daughter. There is a word daughter also. Okay, daughter. Daughter is a feminine. We have to classify like this. Okay. Shall we stop here? I'll give you some exercise. I'll send you some exercise, and this sheet also. I'll send you this sheet also, so that you can go through what is that, what I have taught you, and also I'll send you one question paper. Okay, a small test for all of you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So any questions or anything they want to ask, they can ask.
Q&A enable பண்றேன்.
Yeah. Vadhuhu. One thing I saw this, again, is it possible for to scroll down? When I am teaching, I cannot read this chat. Okay. Yeah. When screen is on, I am unable to. Just one or two questions I will answer again.
But நான் பார்த்தேன், but I didn't want to interrupt. அதனால எப்படியும்
correct பரவாயில்லை.
அந்த பேஜ் நீங்க ஷேர் பண்றதால we will share it on Telegram.
Sure. Okay. Q&A session open பண்ணலாம். 5 minutes. Time at 7:35 ஆயிடுச்சு. அடியே.
Shreya,
அடியே. This Krishna. இப்போ the exceptions now is it like it's not only like for masculine or it's not only for feminine, so is it like sometimes there's masculine or feminine?
No. The gender of a word is permanent. Once you classify it as pullinga, it is a pullinga. Once you classify this as a, you and me need not to do. It is already classified. We are learning that, that's all. So the exceptions, once you learn them, you should understand that it is permanent. Okay. For example, I have told you, mother. Mother is mother, father, sister, brother. These 4 words are Matru, Pitru, Bhratru, Swasru, Duhitru. Duhitru means daughter. These words are ending with R. But when we see that, we classify brother and father into masculine, daughter, sister and brother into, daughter and sister into feminine. They are always feminine. Whether you misunderstand or you understand, it is feminine only. It won't change often. It won't change. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Then you see something.
Then yes.
ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா, அடியன் ஆதித்யா. சுவாமி, இந்த பாரதி அப்படிங்கிற பேருக்கு இது மேஸ்குலைனா ஃபெமினைனா எப்படி சொல்றது?
எது? ஆரத்தியா?
ஆமா சுவாமி.
ஆரத்தி.
பாரதி பாரதி
பாரத் பாரதி கிடையாது, பாரதி லாங் வல். ஆக்சுவலி நான் மெசேஜ்ல டைப் பண்றேன், அத பாருங்க. அது வந்து என்னவா இருக்குன்றத பாருங்க. ஓகேவா? 1 minute. மெசேஜ்ல டைப் பண்றேன். Most of the time we are misunderstanding the pronunciation. Okay, it is not Bharati, it is Bharati. See, I have typed. So what is the ending now? What is the ending now?
E.
E. So what is E? Masculine or feminine or neutral gender?
Feminine. ஆனா
That's
சுவாமி,
simple.
இந்த பாரதியாருக்கு பாரதியார் வந்து மாஸ்குலைன் தானே?
எது?
பாரதியார் வந்து மாஸ்குலைன் தானே? அவர் பேரு
Bharati.
சுப்பிரமணியம்.
Listen. No. அவர் வந்து he has taken this Bharati word as his surname, as a title. His name is Subramanya, not Bharati. அது அவங்க they have taken it, but it is wrong. அவர் எடுத்துட்டான்றதுனால அது masculine ஆயிடாது. For example, I take your name. Your name is Aditya or Aditya?
Aditya Swami.
Tell me.
Aditya Swami.
Aditya.
Aditya feminine.
Exactly. Okay, understood.
Dhanwasi Swami. Dhanwasi.
You understood. Then.
இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு क्वेश्चन இருக்கு.
Anybody else? Are.
Smithy, K. Smithy, do you have a question?
No.
வேற எதுவும் question?
Okay, thank you. धन्यवादः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.